Hello and welcome to Elephant English Podcast. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 15 money idioms and expressions for English learners. Money is no object, which means not being worried about the price of things because you have a lot of money. An example would be, she has bought 2 Gucci bags in the last week. Money is no object for her. To chip in, which means to contribute money when many people are paying for something together. An example would be, everyone chipped in £5 to get her a wedding present. A bargain, which means good value for money. An example would be, I got this coat for £15. It was a bargain. To make a living, which means to earn the money that someone needs to live. An example would be, it's hard to make a living off YouTube. To make ends meet, which means to have enough money to live and to pay the bills. An example would be, it is hard to make ends meet when you are paying £700 a month on rent. Value for money, which means it is worth the money. An example would be, it cost £25 when usually it costs £60. It was great value for money. To make good money, which means to earn an income that allows you to live a comfortable life. An example would be, top models make good money. To go on a shopping spree, which means to go shopping and buy a lot of things. An example would be, she goes on a shopping spree twice a year and spends thousands of pounds. To make a loss, which means to lose money. An example would be, the company made a loss this year due to the pandemic. A tight budget, which means a small amount of money that you have available to spend. For example, I have been on a tight budget since I lost my job. A rip-off, which means when you are overcharged for something. For example, the bus driver charged me £12 instead of £7, but I didn't realise. What a rip-off. Top of the range, which means of the highest quality or the most expensive product. An example would be, if you want to save money, don't buy top of the range products. Buy the cheaper ones. Money doesn't grow on trees, which means money is worked for, is limited, and is not given away for free. An example would be, can you give me £20, Dad? No, money doesn't grow on trees. I gave you £10 last week. Rags to riches, which means to go from being poor to being rich. An example would be, a lot of people feel inspired when they hear his rags to riches story. To be broke, which means to have no money. An example would be, I'm broke at the minute, so I'm trying to find ways to earn more money. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.